2022 budget. India's slashing asset sales targets raises questions about LIC IPO. India sharply reduced its asset sale targets, raising questions about how much it plans to raise from the marquee initial public offering of its biggest state insurer. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government on Tuesday announced it estimates 780 billion rupees from divestment in the year through March 31st. Much lower than the 1.75 trillion rupees budgeted earlier. It has already raised 120 billion rupees by selling stakes in other companies. For the next financial year, the target is 650 billion rupees. That raises the question about whether the government has downgraded expectations from the IPO of Life Insurance Corporation of India, is staggering the share sale, or is merely being conservative with estimates until the money is actually raised. The IPO will happen this financial year in all probability, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said at a briefing. Too high a disinvestment target distorts the market, Tuhin Kantapanda, the top government official in charge of asset sales, told reporters at the same briefing. LIC valuations are yet to reach final conclusion. Inside the all-out campaign to prepare India's biggest ever IPO. As recently as last week, Panda, who is Department of Investment and Public Asset Management Secretary, had told the Press Trust of India that India plans to list LIC by March and include the proceeds in the budget numbers. It appears as if the inflows from the LIC listing have been split over fiscal years 2022 and 2023, said Utti Nair, an economist at ICRA Ltd. For almost 2 years, India has steeled itself for a gargantuan task, readying the country's premier insurer, with nearly $500 billion in assets, and a valuation estimated as high as $203 billion, for what could become its biggest ever stock listing. A knockout listing could see LIC raise as much as $10 billion from the IPO with a minimum dilution of 5%. Also read, Budget 2022, Impact on Sectors, the Winners and Losers. This story has been published from a wire agency feed, without modifications to the text. Only the headline has been changed. Never miss a story. Stay connected and informed with Mint. Download our app now.